Hello my fellow YouTubers. Today's lesson will be in keeping your images in focus and not blurry. But first, you need one of these. Does everybody have a camera? This is a camera. See, it says right there, camera. You will need a lens. Doesn't matter what kind. You just have to have a camera and a lens. What I'm trying to get you to not do is use your cell phone. As you can see, I'm not recording this on a cell phone. I'm recording it with an actual camera with an actual microphone. All right, before you even get going, whatever camera you have, it doesn't matter. Take your camera. Take this thing off. This is very basic stuff here. See? Now it's open. You can see the inside. Take your lens. Doesn't matter what kind. As long as it fits your camera. On the inside, you will see right over here, if you can, there's a white dot. On your lens, right there's a white dot. You need to line them up. Just like this. As you can see plainly. Click. Okay, now you got it on. That's great. So, my first thing is, once you learn the menu system for your camera, you would probably want to not use the auto. First of all, well, don't be in auto settings, but we'll get to that later. Change your focus mode. Instead of wide or whatever the thing says, get it to spot focus, which can be one simple little dot in the middle of your screen, like this big, instead of focusing everywhere. Because if you do that and you want to take a picture of something, what your camera is going to do is take a picture of the closest thing to it. And say you have a picture in mind that you want to have your kid sitting at the table having birthday cake, and there's somebody else standing in front of them. So if you have somebody here, somebody back here, can you see my hands in focus? And now I'm blurry. That's what you're going to be focusing on. But Rich, I want to focus on this guy right here. If you had your own focus point set on me, what your camera's going to do is focus on that. All right, that's it for now. Thanks. Bye.